children, welcome to our EVS class. Children, in this session, we are going to recall about chapter 11 transport. Let's see one by one. Children, can you tell me what are the three modes of transport? Yes, we all love to go out and have fun. We go to our friend's house, we go to see our relatives, we go to our school, and sometimes we go to far off places to spend our holidays. We take three different means of transports to help us to reach these places. There are three modes of transport, namely land transport, air transport, and water transport. Let us recall one by one. Children, can you tell me what is meant by land transport? Yes, land transport includes movement of peoples and goods on road and rail through various means like car, buses, trains, bicycles, etc. In most cities and towns, people traveled by cars, scooters, buses, local train, jeeps, and auto rickshaw. Children, long ago, people used animal to go from one place to another and to carry and transport things. Then the wheel was invented. People began to use wheels in cart and carriage pulled by animals. Listen, observe the picture. Tractor or vehicles used by farmers in the field. In deserts, people use camels, and in hills areas, people mostly used small-sized horses known as mules for transportation. Children, see the picture. An ambulance carries sick people to and from the hospital. Police jeeps and police vans are used by the police for helping people. A postal van carries letters and parcels, and fire engine is used to put out fires, usually in buildings. Now we are going to recall about water transport. Water transport includes movement of people and goods on water through various means like raft, ships, boats, steamer, sailboats. With the help of these means of transport, people and goods are carried both within as well as outside the country. Now we are going to recall about air transport. Air transport includes movement of goods and people through air using various means like helicopter, aeroplane, rocket, and spaceships. It is the fastest means of transport. These means helps us to reach far off places in a very short time. Aeroplane also help people and goods to move from one country to another. Now we are going to recall about road safety rules. Never run on the road, you may slip and fall. Before crossing the road, look to your right, then look to your left, and again to your right, and then cross the road if it is clear. Always walk on the footpath. There is no footpath on the road. Walk along the edge of the road. Do not run or rush to board a bus. Aboard the bus from a bus stop. Always use the seat belt. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Never lean out or put out your hand or head out of a moving bus, car, or train. Children, now it's time for worksheet. Do question number 6, page number 37 in workbook. The question is, give one word answer for the following. A question, carrying goods and people from one place to another. Next, the fastest means of transport. Next, a vehicle used by farmer in fields. Next, the means of transport mostly used in villages. Next, do question number 7, page number 38 in workbook. The question is, name the means of transport that you use for the following. A is for shorter distance. Next, for going to another city. Next, for going to another country. Next, do question number 8, 9, page number 38, 39 in workbook. The question is, find out the names of any two famous airlines. Next, look at the pictures carefully and complete the given table by filling the names of means of transport for each category. Next, do the application part, page number 41 and 42 in workbook. The question is, choose a mode of transport, collect pictures of the vehicles belonging to that mode. Make a collage of these pictures and paste it below. First one, mode of transport. Next, write the name of any four vehicles that belonging to this mode of transport. Next, is there any vehicle which was used earlier but not used now? Write this name. Next, how did you feel? Next, I completed the application in dash day or days. Do the creative part, page number 43 or 44 in workbook. The question is, make a chart on road safety rules or write few lines on the traffic rules to be followed while on road. Next, recite a poem or rhyme on traffic lights. It has 3 works. You have to do only one work from these 3 things. Upload your work through Google Classroom app, children. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.